Today's topic is Archival Handmade Box.
Hi. Uh, we will uh, start today making archival handmade box for this small, beautiful book. Uh, um, why I choose a small book? Because it's a matter of space, first of all. Okay, archival box. We will be talking about one type of boxes. It's uh, 9 pieces box. 9 pieces box. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and two wings plus 4 pieces, 9 pieces box, 9 pieces box, but it contains out of two major part, the long part, 5 pieces, and two wings, two separate wings, 2 pieces each. Let's talk about how to measure piece of cloth for the long part. We have book. Just roughly, we we could measure it's 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches. My advice is always cut the piece of paper, mylar, cloth bigger than you need. Just in case. Okay. Uh, 3.5. We would need 3 big pieces, roughly, of the same size. Okay, 3 pieces by 3.5. It's 9, 10, 9.5. 9.5 inches. Just remember, 9.5 inches. 9.5 inches. Let's make 10. 5, the quarter of inch, just we will add as a security space. Okay, 10 inches. Now, two parts for the two standing pieces. Let's measure the height of my book. It's about 3/4 of inch. Let's make 1 inch. 1 inch 2 times 2 inches. 10 inches plus 2 inches. Now, what do we have else? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gaps. 4 gaps between all the 5 pieces. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gaps. Let's make 1/4 for each of the space between the part. Half inch and half inch. 1 inch. 12 plus 1. 13 inches. And as we do all the time, 1 inch on each side. 4 overlapping. 1 inch for each side. It means 2 more inches. 13 inches plus 2, 15 inches. 15 inches, and just in case, I would add 1 inch, 16 inches. We need a piece 16 inches long, 16 inches long. Just one more time, just in case. 3 big pieces, roughly 3.5 inches each. 3.5 inches each equal 9.5 inches. We made 10 inches. Now, two standing pieces. One piece should be equal to the height of the book. Let's say 1 inch, 2 inches, 10 plus 2. Now, 4 gaps, 4 spaces between the pieces, each 1/4 inch, 12 plus 1, 13, and 2 inches for overlapping on each sides. Plus 2, 13 plus 2, 15 inches, and 1 inch security inch we added to the 15 inches, 16 inches. The whole piece should be 16 inches. And the length of the book, we have 5.25. Let's make 5.5, and plus, as usual, we would need 1 inch on each side for overlapping. 5.5 plus 2, 7.5. Let's make at least 8.5 inches. 8.5 inches. Okay, total. We have to cut piece 16 inches long and 8.5 or 9 inches on the short side. 9 inches. Let's make 9 inches. Okay, let's cut. 16 inches. And 9 inches. Okay, we have piece of cloth, 16 by 9 inches for the longest part of the box. That's it.